Please subscribe our channel, click the bell icon and never miss the new video.
The award for India's best arts and craft classes goes to Ms Diya Mirza for Dhivya Arts and Crafts. Please welcome on stage Ms Diya Mirza, founder and head designer, Dhivya Arts and Crafts. Which one? This one?
This is my famous thought in my life. I am Vijay Kesavan. I am from Chennai. I hear that. Hi all. I am very happy and very proud to be here because I am doing my passion. It comes to be my profession now. I am a Guinness record holder for 2 times, and I am doing just a hobby in my childhood. It makes me a profession nowadays. I am taking classes like online classes for art and craft throughout the world. Like I am having students in China, Tokyo, Australia, US, UK, Canada, Switzerland, and also in all over Tamil Nadu. I am very proud. I don't think so I will be here because I am trying hard and I am just learning in a proper way. It makes me to be here. That is the thought. I like all the ladies to come out of their lives and want to do something different in their lives. I am not interested in going jobs and all. So I am making my passions only in my home. I don't have any institutions, I don't have any factories and all. But we are doing a lot of crafts and exporting a lot of jewels throughout the world and making a bulk orders only at my home. So in the same mood in my mind, I like all the ladies who cannot come out of house, have some hope in their life and can do more and more, what we say, can do more success in their life only at home. Like இன்னும் கிளியரா சொல்லணும்னா அவங்களுடைய பேஷன்ல அவங்க வந்து இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் எஃபோர்ட் எடுத்துட்டாங்க, ப்ராப்பரா லேர்ன் பண்ணிட்டாங்க அப்படின்னா அவங்களாலும் சக்சஸ்ஃபுல்லா வெளியில வர முடியும் அப்படிங்கிறது என்னுடைய தாட். ஸோ அதையும் நான் மைண்ட்ல வச்சு ஸ்டில் நவ் ஐ எம் டூயிங். ஸோ ஹாப்பி டு பி ஹியர் அண்ட் ப்ரவுட் டு பி ஹியர். தேங்க்யூ.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Can we hear the Vanakkam Dhivya? Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Vanakkam Dhivya.